In 2026, Iran's military is evolving at a pace that's drawing global attention, from advanced drones and next-gen missiles to powerful attack helicopters and strategic space assets. Tehran's forces are fielding new strike platforms like the jet-powered Hadid 110 UAV, mass-produced loitering weapons, and upgraded medium-range ballistic missiles. On the naval front, Iran continues expanding its asymmetric threat arsenal in the Strait of Hormuz, while new Russian-built Mi-28Ne attack helicopters bolster its aerial strike capability. Beyond Earth's atmosphere, Iran has just launched its first dedicated geostationary broadcasting satellite, a symbolic step toward broader space ambitions. And behind the headlines, the nation's expanding drone stockpiles and missile production lines are reshaping regional strategy, complicating deterrence calculations, and forcing rival militaries to rethink how future conflicts might unfold. Today, we break down the latest Iranian military weapons and developments in 2026, what they are, why they matter, and how they impact the balance of power in the Middle East. One. Russian Mi-28Ne attack helicopter delivery. Iran has taken delivery of its first Russian Mi-28Ne Night Hunter attack helicopter, marking a significant boost to its rotary wing strike capability. This modern attack helicopter is armed with a 30mm autocannon, guided missiles, rockets, and bombs, and offers improved night and all-weather combat potential. The delivery occurs amid heightened U.S. military pressure and reflects Tehran's push to diversify its aerial combat assets beyond legacy helicopters and jets. 2. Qasem Basier medium-range ballistic missile. Iran's Qasem Basier MRBM is an upgraded ballistic missile unveiled in 2025 as an enhanced variant of the Hajj Qasem series with extended range and a more advanced guidance system. This solid-fuel, two-stage missile reportedly reaches around 200 kilometers and enhances Tehran's ability to strike regional targets with improved precision and survivability. Three. FATA-2 hypersonic missile project. Iran continues developing its FATA-2 hypersonic missile, a successor to the FATA-1. It is designed to carry a hypersonic glide vehicle capable of traveling at speeds up to Mach 15, with a range over 400 kilometers, aimed at penetrating advanced missile defenses. Although still in developmental phases and not confirmed operational, its unveiling highlights Tehran's ambitions in advanced strike capabilities. 4. Hadid 110 jet-powered stealth drone. The Hadid 110 is one of Iran's newest unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs. Powered by a jet engine and featuring a small warhead, it travels at speeds over 510 kilometers per hour and is designed to evade air defenses and strike critical infrastructure, radars, or command centers. This drone represents a leap from slower loitering munitions toward higher speed, harder to intercept strike drones. 5. Massive Shahed drone stockpile claim. Independent reporting suggests Iran may possess up to 80,000 Shahed series drones, with alleged production rates of hundreds per day far outpacing many global inventories. If accurate, this reflects an industrial-scale drone warfare capability, potentially aimed at overwhelming defenses through saturation attacks. 6. Arya combat robot. UGCV. Iran has developed and unveiled the Arya combat robot, an armed unmanned ground vehicle equipped with a 7.62mm machine gun and advanced reconnaissance systems. Designed for battlefield support, surveillance, and direct engagement, Arya aligns with a broader trend toward autonomous and AI-assisted ground combat systems. 7. Expanded warhead capabilities. Reports from open sources indicate Tehran might be exploring expanded warhead designs for ballistic missiles, including significantly heavier payloads, potentially up to 2 tons, based on test reports and domestic defense announcements, enhancing destructive power against hardened targets. Iran's overall missile and drone programs remain central to its defense doctrine, especially as tensions persist with the United States and Israel. Ballistic, cruise, and UAV systems are seen as critical tools to deter or counter advanced adversary capabilities, even as diplomatic talks continue. While Iran's nuclear program also continues to be a major international focus, the weapons outlined above reflect conventional military advancements separate from nuclear capabilities.